In celebration of Women's Month, we asked PA Properties employees, what is one quality you admire most in women?
Okay, one quality that I admire most in women is women's ability to take on many roles at one time. Ang women, I believe, is the most capable of multitasking, wearing many hats all at the same time. Women lang ang capable na maging mother, maging career woman, maging father minsan, and tita, all at the same time.
Yung isang quality talaga ng mga kababaihan na hinahangaan ko ay yung pagiging resilient natin. Yung despite sa mga daily challenges which are very unique to us women, like yung mga menstruation, hormonal imbalance, childbirth, childcare, yung despite sa mga pinagdadaanan o mga pagsubok, yung kakayahan natin na makabangon at magpatuloy sa buhay. So yun, resilience.
Ang pagiging confidence ng mga women, yun ang ina-admire. Yung mga kayang magdala na sarili nila, alam nila kung anong self-worth nila, sa tingin ko, yun ang pinaka-ina-admire ko sa kanila.
One quality I admire most in women is being nurturing. Because women tend to be more compassionate, understanding, and supportive of others' well-being and growth. And I can say that I'm truly grateful to be surrounded by women who are kind and caring that make me feel loved and supported.
Tulad ng mother ko, though she already passed away, at miss na miss ko na siya, still, I admire her most. Pinaka gusto kong quality is yung kind woman. Yung woman na nag-i-spread ng kindness, warmth, and generosity. Kahit saan siya magpunta, nagiging blessing siya sa lahat ng tao na kapaligid sa kanya.
Resilience, I think because it's the ability to persevere in hardships and challenges, and on how they bounce back stronger.